In this guide, I'm going to show you how to see liked videos on YouTube. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to see your liked videos on YouTube, go ahead and open up the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. What you need to do is select the settings gear up in the top right and look on here for your data in YouTube. Go ahead and open that up. And then from here, what you need to do is scroll down on here. And what you're looking for is going to be your YouTube watch history. Go ahead and select that. It's going to show you all of your YouTube watch history. Make sure that this is obviously turned on, otherwise this will not work. You'll see turn on right here where mine currently says turn off. Then go back out of this section real quick. Select manage your YouTube watch history, and then up at the top select interactions right there. And then in this section, you're going to see a video likes and dislikes. Go ahead and select that category, and it's going to show you the videos that you've liked, the videos that you've disliked. And if you want to watch one again, you can tap on it. If you want to unlike a video, you can hit this X, and that'll remove the like, or it'll also remove the dislike as well. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.